Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jessica, mum of one to a little boy called George who is 2 years old, and I love to post cleaning, motherhood and lifestyle content over here on my YouTube channel. So if that is the kind of thing you're into, then please stick around. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. I aim to post around 3 times a week. And if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would love to have you as a subscriber and as a viewer. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today's video is something really exciting, and I am working with and pairing up with the company called Cherryz, and the really lovely people over at Cherryz, they got in contact with me and asked if I would be interested in working with them and reviewing some of their products that they sell on their website. So Cherryz is a internet store, so an online shop that sells such a unique mix of items, and they range from cleaning items to food items to pets, seasonal, homeware. There is just such a wide range of products that you can get on Cherryz website. And especially at the moment, being in lockdown, I know different parts of the countries, you're all on sort of lockdown or you're not on lockdown, but you can't go out or you don't really want to go out. So this is the best place to shop to get all of your essentials. And on top of that, everything is super affordable and at a really cheap price. So I'm really grateful that Cherryz reached out to ask if I want to work with them, and they ever so kindly sent me a voucher to use online on their website. And the really exciting thing I have for you guys is also a discount code, so I will link it, I'll put it on the screen now and I'll link it down below. If you want to go and check out the app, you can download it just by following the link down below, and if you use the app on your first order, you can get 20% off your first order as long as you are using it on the app. So I'm going to share with you guys what I ordered from Cherryz so you can sort of get a feel as to what sort of products they sell. So this massive box arrived today. It's actually really heavy, but I thought I would share with you guys what things I picked up. Look how lovely this tissue paper is. I feel like I'm going to have to save that and possibly do something with it because that's just beautiful, really cute. So, one of the things that's so much fun about this is that I completely forgot what I ordered, or I knew some things I'd ordered, but it's such a surprise seeing it all again. So I'm really excited to go through it to remember what things I actually ordered. So I'm going to do this in no particular order because it is just packed in the box really neatly. So like I say, I've got some home items, I've got some food items, and I've also got a lot of cleaning items as well. So the first thing I have got is some of the Star Drops pink stuff. This is the Miracle Cleaning Paste. I've actually done a video on this before. I will link that down below if you guys want to go and check that video out. But that is 8 ways to use the pink stuff. This is basically an abrasive sort of spread that can get rid of, I think spread, I'm saying it like you can have it in a sandwich. It's an abrasive paste that you can use to get rid of like stains or marks that might be on your walls, or yeah, there's so many uses for this. And so I picked up one of those because I absolutely need this in my cupboard at all times. I have got some of the Finish Powerball 10 Classic dishwasher capsules, which I'm really happy about because I have literally just run out today, and I was waiting to film this video because I haven't put my dishwasher on yet this evening because I was waiting to film this so I could use one of the dishwasher tabs this evening. Oh, it's so cool. I forgot that I ordered so much of this. So I saw this on Cherryz. This is a Barrett's Wham Car air freshener. I'm really excited to actually smell this. It doesn't have like a scratch and sniff, but maybe I can peel it off a little bit. Oh my god, it smells exactly like Wham. I'm so excited to put that in my car on the way to work tomorrow morning. So yeah, picked up one of those, and that was something so cheap. I think it was like £1, so very, very cheap. Now I picked up a Fabulosa, and this is in the Long Lasting Freshness scent of Sky. Now this is very similar to Sephora. I always use Sephora. I've actually never used Fabulosa, but as soon as I saw it on Cherryz app, I thought I have to immediately buy one. So I popped one of these in my basket, and I'm really looking forward to actually trying this and see how it compares with Sephora. Oh, it's got beautiful scent. So yeah, really looking forward to trying that out. Perhaps I have actually done a video on ways to use Sephora, so perhaps I will do a video on how to use Fabulosa. I'm pretty sure it's almost exactly the same thing and the results will probably be identical, but it'll be interesting to see how it compares to Sephora. Next, I've got some of these Air Pure Incredibles, and these are an in-wash scent booster, and this is Fuchsia and Pearls, and this is up to 10 washes. Something I will say is that sometimes with certain products it can be quite difficult to see the sizes, and I'm pretty sure it will say on there the size of the product. I just obviously didn't look, so I did expect this to be a little bit bigger, but nevertheless I'm really excited to try them. I will probably just next time just obviously read the description probably a little bit better, so I can see how big it is. But yes, I love these. They make your washing smell absolutely incredible. Okay, so it wouldn't be a haul if I didn't have some kind of sweet treats in here. So I did actually put some, or quite a few foodie items in my basket. As you know, I have a 2-year-old and my partner also loves sweets, and of course I do as well. So I picked up a few things. So I got a 4-pack of Rolos, and I've also never seen this before. This is a Cherryz chocolate orange bar, and I've never seen this before, and I'm definitely sure it's something you can get these in places like Cherryz, but then also places like B&M, Home Bargains, that kind of place where they sell like more quirky chocolates. But really excited to try that. And I also got for my little boy George, I got him some Milky Bars. This is just nice to have in the cupboard as a little treat for him after he has had his dinner. And he absolutely loves Milky Bars, so it's good to have some of those in the cupboard. I also ordered some of these, and I know you can buy these in most supermarkets, but there was just something so exciting about buying them online on the app when I saw them, because I was having like a little flashback of my childhood, and these are one of my favourite crisps as a child, so these went straight in my basket. Also got some Curly Whirlies. Haven't had one of these in absolute years, so I'm excited to eat one of those. And it comes with a free ticket to Legoland, Chessington, Alton Towers, Thorpe Park, or the Sea Life, which is absolutely incredible. I wonder when it runs out of date because of what's going on in the world at the moment. So it's valid until 2021, next September, so I've got basically a whole year to use that. So I'm definitely going to make sure I don't throw away this packaging, because that's something I probably would do. Okay, there are all the foodie items out the way. So if we move on then to some cleaning items, I have got some of the Fairy Non-Bio Fabric Softener. This is great for washing my little boy's clothes in, and his bed sheets and towels, etc. He has quite sensitive skin, so I like to ensure that everything that I'm using on his clothing is just non-bio and really, really pure for his skin as well. And I've never had any problems with this whatsoever, so I've picked some of that up, and the price, I think it was £3, so really, really cheap for fabric softener, especially if you're buying this in the supermarkets. You know, it can be up to £7, so that is a really good bargain. I have picked up some more microfiber cloths, and these are the Unicorn collection. I absolutely loved them. So you've got a nice purple colour, a white, a blue, and then also ones with unicorns on them as well. And I really needed some new microfiber cloths, so I get 4 in there, so they couldn't have come at a better time. I have also got some baking soda. Now, I absolutely love to clean with baking soda. It is one of my must-haves in my cleaning cupboard, and this is a huge bottle for the price. And this is Does It Amazing Baking Soda. I've never actually heard of this brand before. I mean, baking soda's baking soda, right? So I'm really excited to get cleaning with this again, because I have actually ran out of baking soda. Next, I got one of these Domestos toilet hangers. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. I'm going to call them toilet hangers. But I just needed a new one of these in the toilet, and this is the scent of ocean. So we'll put that in a little bit later. Now, the washing up sponge I use is the Dishmatic with the handle that you can fill the washing up liquid into. And the really cool thing about those is the sponges are replaceable, so you can effectively buy the handle and then just keep replacing the sponge. So I picked up 3 of the sponges. They were very, very cheap as well, much cheaper online on the Cherryz app than actually in store. And you get 3 in here. So I picked up some of those because that will last me probably a couple of months. Another product I just had to pick up, that I pick up pretty much every time I go shopping, is a product that I can't live without in my cleaning cupboard, and that is the Flash Bleach Spray. I feel like I use this, or you can use this, on pretty much every room. You can find use for this, but majority my kitchen and then also my bathroom, but this is a definite must to have in any cleaning cupboard. Okay, so some other products that I've actually seen on so many of the people's cleaning hauls and cleaning YouTube channels is the brand Astonish. Now, I have never used this brand before. I have actually seen it in some shops. I think I've seen it in B&M, but I have just never picked it up. So again, as soon as I saw it on Cherryz app, I thought I must purchase some of that. And I have just noticed that all their products are vegan, which is really good to know. So I picked up a bathroom cleaner. And this is a huge bottle, by the way. Like, the bottle is like pretty much the same size as my head, and these were just over £1. So I picked up the bathroom cleaner, and I also got the window and glass cleaner as well, which I will obviously use on my windows. And also I like to use this on my glass shower, sort of, it's not a curtain, I'm not sure what it's called, glass shower guard or shower door, my glass shower door. So I picked up 2 of these, so I'm looking forward to giving these a try and just seeing sort of how they compare to other products that I would use on my windows and glass, so things like Windoline and the white vinegar spray, which is made by Star Drops. They're the things I use at the moment, so it'll be good to see how they compare. I got a bottle of Fairy Washing Up Liquid. This is in scent. I'm not sure, but it's actually not even in English, which is really strange. I'm not sure which country this is written in, but they have put a label on the back for English. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure what scent it is because I can't tell. I think there might be cranberries on the front. But anyway, this is a new washing up liquid. I need a new one anyway. And I like to have one in the cupboard at all times as well, because if I do run out, it's really annoying that there's none left and you end up filling the bottle with water and giving it a good shake to be able to use the last little bit. So it's good to have one of these in the cupboard. Next up is again another product that I've never tried, but I've seen so many people use and also rave about, and that is elbow grease. So I have got an elbow grease all-purpose degreaser, and you can use this apparently on fabrics, metals and plastic, and again it is solvent free, which is really good to know, especially with having kids around. So I'm looking forward to using this. I'll have to have a good read as to what I can use it on, because I'm shocked that you can use that on clothes. And with that, I also picked up an elbow grease scrubbing pad. This is very similar to the Minky, but so much more affordable than Minky itself. And again, you've got like a really sort of coarse, rough side, and then on the back you've got a much softer side. So I have got a couple of Minkies, so this would be nice to add to my collection. I thought I would pick up a pack of Pampers wipes. We use whatever wipes are on offer in the supermarket, or if I have like coupons or codes for something, we'll buy different types of wipes, but these were really affordable. He uses the Pampers nappies anyway, so I thought it would go quite nicely with the wipes, so I picked up those. Something I was really surprised to see on Cherryz was the brand Tresemme. Now obviously Tresemme can be quite an expensive shampoo in the supermarkets, but I was really surprised to see this. It was £2, quite a large bottle as well, and they had the shampoo and the conditioner. I don't need any conditioner, I've got a massive bottle upstairs in the bathroom anyway. So this is the Tresemme Pro Collection with Biotin and Pro Bond Complex. Visibly repairs 7 types of damage in one use, which I feel like is definitely a must when you have children and you are always tired and your hair is just looking frazzled, because I feel like I have no time anymore to sort of take care of myself. So this will be nice to use in the shower when I next have a hair wash day. And then the last thing I picked up was some of these bag sealing clips. Now I've been looking for some of these everywhere because obviously we're not a massive family, there's only 3 of us, but sometimes when you buy certain foods, you don't use the whole thing in that evening. So I end up normally using a hairband to be able to tie up, whether it's packets of crisps, I don't know, cheese, whatever it might be. I end up using my hairbands to seal it. So as soon as I saw these, it completely just sort of rang an alarm in my head that was like, you need these. So these went straight in my basket as well. So that was everything then that I bought at Cherryz. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I have got that discount code for you guys price to use. It is 20% off your first ever order with Cherryz, as long as you are using it on the app. If you follow the link down below in the description box, it will take you through straight to the app and you can start filling your basket with all of these amazing goodies. And I ordered this on a Saturday evening and it was here by Tuesday morning. So it's super fast delivery, especially if you're not wanting to get out the house, or whether you're a busy mum like I am and I just have no time to go out and buy all of these things. And Cherryz is definitely the place to go where everything is just in one place. So I just want to say thank you so much again to Cherryz for sending me all these amazing goodies. It's something I'm definitely going to keep up with ordering from because it was just so handy. So yeah, thank you so much, Cherryz. And if you liked today's video, as I mentioned at the beginning, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, bye!